In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello for Agile project management. We'll set up an Agile board in Trello using a ready-made template so you can plan sprints, track progress, and keep your team aligned with minimal setup. Start by opening your browser and going to Trello.com. If you aren't signed in, Trello may prompt you to log in or create an account. That's normal and only takes a moment. Once you're on your dashboard, look along the top navigation and click Templates. Templates are pre-built boards that follow common Agile practices, saving you time and giving you a structure that's proven to work. On the Templates page, find the search bar and type Agile. This filters the gallery to show templates designed for Agile workflows, including options that support Scrum or Kanban-style boards. You'll see examples with lists and sample cards that illustrate how tasks move from idea to completion. Click the Agile board template that suits your needs. On the Templates page, you can preview the layout. Most Agile templates include lists like backlog, to-do, in progress, review, and done. Think of these lists as your workflow stages. Each card represents a task or user story, and you'll move cards across the lists as work progresses. When you're ready to use the template, enter a title for your new board. Choose a clear, descriptive name, such as your product or team name, and consider adding a sprint or date range if that helps your team instantly understand the board's purpose. Good naming reduces confusion and makes the board easy to find. Next, select a workspace. A workspace in Trello is the home for your related boards and teammates. Choosing the correct workspace ensures the right people can access the board and receive relevant notifications. If you belong to multiple teams, this step keeps everything organized in the right place. Finally, click Create. Trello will build your board from the template right away. Take a moment to scan the lists and any example cards, then replace or archive those examples and add your own backlog items. Use labels to indicate priority or work type, set due dates to anchor your sprint timeline, and assign members so ownership is clear. As work advances, drag cards from list to visualize progress and keep the board updated during stand-ups and sprint reviews. That consistency turns your board into a reliable source of truth for the team. And that's it. You've opened Trello, chosen an Agile template, named your board, selected a workspace, and created it. You're now ready to run your next sprint with clarity and confidence.